Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're at the ITEXPO Tech Super Show 2026, February in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Jim Machi is with us. He is with Clearspan. Jim, welcome back to the show.
Thank you, Rich. It's great to be here. You're running a great show so far.
Thank you so much. It's been wonderful having someone like you as a valuable contributing author to many of the publications that the parent company TMC has published over the decade. I can't believe decades.
25 years I've been doing this with you, Rich. That's all you have to say.
Oh my God, it's a quarter century.
Yes. I didn't think about it like that till you, yeah. All right.
So what does Clearspan do? Remind the audience.
Okay. So Clearspan provides UCaaS, a cloud, and also UCaaS related services, primarily to service providers and enterprises.
Fantastic. And in terms of typical customers, who would they be?
All right, so large enterprises, and also we have like Fed and SLED, so like big school systems and state government agencies, those kind of things. And a lot of them are big seats, like thousands of seat deployments, going up to 60,000 seat deployments. So pretty large UCaaS systems.
And you recently had an acquisition, correct?
Yes. In October, we bought a company called VeriSaaS. VeriSaaS is a lot like us, so they have some of the same similar problems, and we were attacking them, and now we can kind of consolidate going after those issues and solving them. But also we had complementary product lines, so we have like a client, desktop and mobile client. They had more engineering services, really good engineering services, and some contact center stuff. So that's really good. And we also get bigger customers. So we now have 2 of the 3 largest wireless service providers as customers. So that's really good for customer diversity for us.
Oh, that's very exciting.
Yeah.
So where are you going to see growth, you think, this year?
So our customers are typical, like, hey, we want to use phone systems. They need clients, but they're not like knowledge worker type companies. So we see growth. There's still prem to cloud conversion, believe it or not, going on. We see Centrex replacement going on, and POTS replacement. So POTS replacement is pretty big right now. Back in the old days, we would just call that analog gateways, but now there's harder things to do, like alarms and security things, and so that's more specialized gateways. We call that POTS replacement, and that's a big growth area for us.
Fantastic. Anything else we should know?
No, that's it, Rich. It's great to be here again, and we'll do this again next year.
Thanks for being part of the show.
Thank you.